This is the west side, east side of the Hazleton city limits. And we should get some nice whiteout conditions here. There you go, there's just some whiteout conditions. Oh, that's a good one. We're currently on C57, just east of Hazleton. Now we're coming into some heavy snow now. Coming into, got a house on the left so you don't see it blow too hard. And we're going to come to an open field here. Now it's starting to blow crossways. There's just some blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions. Open field here. Coming up to a house on the left with the sodium vapor light. So it'll probably give you a shot of the snow. The tricky part's going to be now I got to go on a gravel road. Here we're going to get ready to pass this house and get into some heavy wind action. Okay, here we go. We're out in the open right now. Right now, moderate to heavy snow. As you can see on the camera, with blowing snow being more of the cloud. The flakes are the snow. The cloud part is the blowing part. Looks like we got a car that's going to be topping the hill with us. Now we're going to turn left. We're going to turn north. See how bad these roads are. Now we got heavy snow into our face. Going north on a gravel road. No plow. So hopefully the car can make it through it. Let's see if I hit some drifts. I'm going to have to punch some drifts here. This corner up here. Oh, there's a nice whiteout. I have to put the there's some drifts. Boom, 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 the drift. Heavy snow right now. I could say it's probably snowing about an inch an hour. Heavy snow, heavy blowing snow. There's a whiteout right here. Gotta keep my speed up so I can make it through these ruts. Currently on a gravel road northeast of Hazleton, about a mile away from home. nice drift right here. I got a plow. There he goes, the drift. Heavy snow. Whiteout right there.
Areas of blowing snow through the day. Windy. High 0 to 5 above. North wind 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 45 miles an hour. Wind chill readings 20 below to 30 below 0. Sunday night. Mostly clear. Bit early cold. Breezy. Low around 10 below. Northwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Wind chill readings 25 below to 35 below 0. Monday. Mostly sunny. High 0 to 5 above. Northwest wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Lowest wind chill readings 25 below to 35 below 0 in the morning. Monday night, partly cloudy. Low 5 to 10 below. North wind near 5 miles an hour shifting to the northeast after midnight. Tuesday, sunny. No, not as cold. Low around 10. Wednesday and Wednesday night, cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Not as cold. High in the lower 20s. Low 15 to 20. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. High in the lower 20s. Thursday night and Friday, mostly cloudy. Low around 10. High in the lower 20s. Friday night and Saturday, mostly cloudy.
This right here is the problem living out in the country. No plowed roads. And you can just see how bad it is. I got to follow the lines in front of me. Whiteout conditions here. Can't even see our house up there. Our house is just on the left. I don't want to stop. I'm afraid I'm going to hit a drift. Ooh, nice video it should be. See if I can get in the driveway here. Does that tell you? We are facing north. This is our house right here. And that tells you how strong the winds are blowing and how heavy the snow is.